Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best snow blower ramp is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any homeowner looking to efficiently clear their driveway or walkway, especially when dealing with significant snowfall, as it allows you to safely and effectively load your snow blower onto a truck or trailer, saving you time and physical strain during those arduous winter cleanup tasks. Number 5. Pyle Heavy-Duty Rubber Curb Ramps 4-foot set. Navigate curbs and elevated sidewalks with ease. These ramps provide access for a wide range of vehicles and mobility devices, making any transition smooth. Built from high-quality, industrial-grade rubber, these ramps are designed to last. They effectively protect your vehicle from vibrations and reduce noise when driving over obstacles. Featuring a textured surface, they offer increased friction and traction. This flexibility makes them ideal for various locations, from home garages to loading docks. With an impressive load capacity of up to 11,000 pounds, these ramps ensure safe passage for heavy vehicles. Drive up or down uneven ground and curbsides with confidence. These lightweight ramps can be permanently installed using preformed holes. They also include an integrated channel for water or cable management, offering convenience and security. What we like. This ramp is built from durable, industrial-grade rubber, offering excellent noise reduction and vibration protection. If you need a long-lasting, heavy-duty solution for frequent use and want to protect your vehicle's suspension, this is a great choice. Its textured surface ensures good traction in various conditions. What people say. A little heavy to initially put in place, but that weight holds them securely in place. These ramps were a great purchase, and after about a month or so of use, they're holding up just fine. Instead of a sharp jolt into and out of the driveway, now it's much more supple and doesn't have as large of an impact on the suspension components. Excellent value for the money. Other ramps are very expensive. These are well priced and are made out of solid rubber. Number 4. Smartxchoices 7.5-foot folding truck ramps. Introducing our heavy-duty loading ramps, crafted from high-strength aluminum. They are designed to easily handle loads up to 750 lbs per ramp, providing a total capacity of 1,500 pounds for effortless loading and unloading. These ramps are perfect for loading a variety of vehicles and equipment. They are ideal for ATVs, UTVs, motorcycles, lawn mowers, and more, making your loading task significantly easier. Featuring an arched design for enhanced load-bearing capacity and a soft-tipped surface to prevent abrasion. The anti-slip feet ensure a secure and stable loading experience. Constructed from durable aluminum, these ramps are lightweight and resistant to rust. They are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, regardless of the weather conditions. With a convenient folding design, these ramps are easy to store in your garage or vehicle when not in use. They require no assembly and come with safety straps for secure loading. What we like. Constructed from high-strength aluminum, this ramp is both lightweight and robust, with a significant weight capacity. Its folding design makes it incredibly easy to store and transport. If you're looking for a portable and convenient solution for loading ATVs, motorcycles, or snow blowers into trucks or trailers, this arched ramp offers stability and ease of use. What people say. The ramp is sturdy and well-built, making it easy to load and unload my snow blower. The design is simple yet effective, and it fits perfectly with my existing garage setup. I appreciate the non-slip surface, which provides excellent traction even in icy conditions. Number 3. Ruedamann 4-foot aluminum shed ramps. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, these ramps are built to last. They resist corrosion and rust, making them perfect for outdoor use in any weather. Plus, they're lightweight for easy handling. We've meticulously deburred all edges to ensure they are smooth. This provides you with complete safety and peace of mind during every use. These ramps measure 48 inches long and 9 inches wide. With 2 ramps, they can support up to 880 pounds. For safe operation, we recommend a usage height between 11 and 19 inches. Featuring a punched surface, these ramps offer superior traction to prevent slipping. They also effectively scrape mud off tires, making them ideal for all conditions, including muddy areas. An extended plate at the top ensures a smooth and secure transition onto trailers or sheds. For included bolts allow you to fasten it securely for added stability. Whether you're loading bicycles, motorcycles, ATVs, or lawnmowers, these ramps have you covered. They offer reliable support for a wide range of light to medium vehicles. What we like. Made from durable, lightweight aluminum with a corrosion-resistant finish, this ramp is designed for extended outdoor use. The wider design and punched surface provide excellent traction, even in muddy conditions, while the extended plate ensures a smooth transition. If you need a reliable ramp for lawnmowers, ATVs, or UTVs, especially for trailers or sheds, and prioritize safety and stability, this is a solid option. What people say. It is a sturdy ramp that is easy to assemble. The ramp is wide enough for most snow blowers and has good traction. It is a great product for the price and makes snow blowing much easier. Number 2. Pyle 2PC Heavy Duty Rubber Curb Ramp Set. Introducing the Pyle 2PC Heavy Duty Curb Ramp Set. These ramps are designed to provide easy access over curbs and elevated sidewalks for a variety of vehicles and mobility devices. They are incredibly versatile, perfect for cars, trucks, trailers, forklifts, wheelchairs, and even bicycles. Easily navigate any curb or uneven surface with confidence. Constructed from high-quality, industrial-grade rubber, these ramps are built to last. They effectively protect your vehicle from vibrations and reduce noise during entry and exit. Featuring a textured surface, they offer increased friction and traction, ensuring safe passage. The flexible design makes them ideal for driveways, garages, and loading docks. With an impressive load capacity of up to 55,000 pounds, these ramps can handle even the heaviest vehicles. Drive up or down uneven ground safely and securely. Pre-drilled mounting holes allow for permanent installation in high-traffic areas. The bright yellow, reflective safety color enhances visibility, ensuring safety day and night. What we like. This heavy-duty rubber ramp boasts an exceptionally high load capacity, making it suitable for even the heaviest vehicles. Its durable construction protects against vibration and noise, and the integrated yellow reflective strips enhance visibility. If you require a robust, long-term solution for high-traffic areas or need to accommodate very heavy loads, this ramp offers unparalleled strength and safety features. What people say. The ramp is sturdy and well-built, making it easy to load and unload my snowblower. The design is simple yet effective, and it fits perfectly with my snowblower. I appreciate the non-slip surface, which provides extra safety when using the ramp. Number 1. LUCKYERMORE 7.5 feet 1,500 pounds aluminum Powersports ramps. Crafted from high-strength, lightweight aluminum, these ramps are built to last. They are robust, durable, and resistant to rust, easily handling loads up to 1,500 pounds. Get ready to load in seconds with no installation needed. When folded, they are compact and fit easily in your back seat for convenient storage and transport. Rubber-coated fingers offer superior grip and protect your tailgate from scratches. Adjustable safety straps ensure they stay securely attached for peace of mind. The arch design provides excellent clearance and traction, guaranteeing a smooth and stable lift every time. Load your heavy items with confidence. Perfect for a wide range of vehicles including motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, lawn mowers, and more. These ramps are your go-to solution for loading. What we like. Crafted from high-strength, lightweight aluminum, this foldable ramp is designed for both power and portability. The meshed surface and arch design provide excellent clearance and traction, while the rubber-coated fingers protect your tailgate. If you frequently load powersports equipment like motorcycles, ATVs, or snow blowers and need a ramp that's easy to store, transport, and use safely, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It fits my needs perfectly to load my garden equipment into my outdoor shed. Easy to handle because of the weight, the non-slip on the tabs is very secure, easily handled loading and unloading a lawn tractor, ribs give it steady climbing. Works great for lawn tractor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.